Today I'm here to share the Artist Hand 11-foot drywall lift. This has been a massively helpful tool for us as we've been putting soundproofing material in a bedroom and in a closet and then putting drywall on top of it, so we've used it for installing both of those things. It's made of steel construction and it can hold 150 pounds. It has a locking mechanism for when you want it to be a flat platform, otherwise you can also have it tilted. There is a built-in winch brake, that way you are provided enough safety for whenever you're performing different jobs. I sped this video up a little bit, but it does glide very smoothly both up and down. If you want to avoid having to ask multiple friends to help you on a project and save your back a lot of pain, then definitely grab one of these lifts. You will not regret it.